Okay guys, today if you've gone to my um, own Facebook profile, you'll actually see that there's been two changes in the last couple of hours. And the reason for that is that I've actually got some information from another group that I'm in about what they talk about is setting up your funnel profile on Facebook. And the two areas that you'll probably notice that have changed are the banner itself up the top and also this image down here, which wasn't there previously. So this image down here. Now, the main changes and the reason for the changes was that the and I'll put a link to the person that actually I got this information from, and we'll reach out and show you that. But the main reason for the changes was that you can see here that I've made my image smaller because it was actually running off the screen anyway. That's the previous image that was there. And I've added the words, need more clients, click here. So what would people do if they're interested? Well, they actually click here, okay? So let's do that. So if I just click on the image, as with any image in Facebook, it will open it up. But what it's actually done here is it's actually opened it up and given me the opportunity to add content. So here I'm saying to people, look for more clients and look, and I've actually just seen here that there's a comment in here, so I'm going to correct that while I'm at it because that should be a question mark. So I need to edit that. So I'm going to go in and edit it and just put a question mark in there and go with done editing. Okay, so let's fix that up. Now, so I've got the question, looking for more clients and leads that convert, then check out my free training in my new Facebook group, and here's a link to the group. And if people click on that, it takes them straight to the Affiliate Marketing Tutor group. Now, obviously if they're not a member, they'll get a join now button up here. So that's an obvious way to attract clients who look at your personal profile. That's not your business page, that's a personal profile. So let me go back to that again. And I'll show you this other image down here, and there is something a little bit different about here, because with this image it actually says click the link above. So, and the arrows are all pointing the person's eyes to above, and the first link they see, guess what, it's a link to my Affiliate Marketing Tutor page. So if they click on that, it takes them to my page. Okay, so, and hopefully, and then here obviously there's a opportunity to join the group as well. So that's another avenue of lead generation. Now, if again I go back to my profile, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to actually do this one. The second one's a little bit more involved because I couldn't find a way to do that on the desktop, so I'll have to do another video and showing you how you actually complete that, but using your mobile phone. So this is to insert this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually say, if you've got an image, so the first thing I would do is I would actually get your current image if you can't remember where it is in your desktop. Okay, so in order to do that, what I'm going to do is use a tool that I've actually demonstrated before, and that I'm using on my PC, or on my Mac rather, and it's Photoscape. So it's available for both PC and Mac, and it's a free download. So what I'm going to do is we're going to create a new file, a new header file for our Facebook profile. So we're just going to create a new image, and you'll actually see that it's, because I've already used this package to create a previous image, it's got the right sizes in here. Now the size that you want for your Facebook profile header image is 820 by 312. I'm using a black background. You can obviously pick any background you want, background color that suits your colors, but I'm using black. As you notice that I use black a lot as a background, so I'm going to use black. Now this is our image size itself. It's laid out. What I want to do is I want to bring in the previous image that I had, and I go to insert. We're looking for an image, so we go to image. In our images directory here, I've got our more marketing ideas header image. This is the old image that I was using previously, and I'm going to actually convert that to a better image. Now you can resize this. You'll notice that on my page I've actually left it. So what I might do is I actually might bring it out a bit more, and let's do that. So I really want to try and get the borders the same so it looks okay. So it's not gonna work for me, but by doing that, so that probably looks a bit better. And so we've centered that now. Now the trick is then I just want to add a call to action on this image. So I'm going up to the text, and I'm just going to click here for more info. Okay, and it's got the wrong colors here, but we can fix that. So I'm actually going to go in here and change the color to, I'm going to actually make it something that stands out. Yellow or orange is pretty good on blue, so we'll do that. We'll just push it up there. Maybe do something like this. So that looks okay, and I want to give it some kind of an outer glow to make it stand out. The glow color is probably, let's try it with a blue. That actually looks alright. Now you can have the thickness of, you can play with all of these and the blurs and everything else to give you different effects, but I think that's that grabs attention, so I think that's okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save that image. So we'll just save it, and I'm going to rename it so I know it's a different name. So I'm just going to save as, and we'll go make a profile. And I'll put FB for Facebook, just so we know what it is. And I'm obviously going to save it back into the same directory that I'm saving all the other stuff in. So we go save. Okay, that's stage one. I'm just going to minimize that. We'll go back in here, and I'm going to click on the image and say change the cover image. You're going to upload a photo. We'll go to my images directory, and I called it this one here. So this is the one we just created, and I'm going to open that. Position it so that it looks pretty good there, so that looks okay. So I'm just going to save that. And now, again, we'll get back to when somebody clicks on it. So there's the image here. If somebody clicks on the image, what happens is it opens up the image in the image previewer. We've got a description here. So I'm going to put in So I'm going to put join our, and Facebook should probably have a capital, so join our free Facebook group. We'll just come down to the next line, and it's https://groups. So it's affiliate marketing tutor, because I'm looking at getting into the affiliate marketing arena at the moment, and we want to test this to see how it works for lead generation. So that's it. So I've done editing, Okay, and we just exit back to the page. So again, if I click on this here now, it actually brings up that message we've got. That would normally be a link. So something wrong with that. Ah, I see what's wrong. I've missed the facebook.com. So let's go in. We'll edit that again. Facebook.com, done editing. And there we go. So it's a hot link now. So if I click on that, okay, so it comes to our private group. If you're already a member, then you'll get there straight away. If you're not a member, then please join and tell us what you do, what you'd like to do, and if you're having any success with affiliate marketing. Hopefully that helps, and you'll get to attract more clients and increase your business. Take care. Have a great day.